Hell, they ain't been to me anyway. Gotta give them what they want. Colonel and I keep putting it out, and fans keep buying it.
Everybody's worried and concerned about you. The Colonel, too. Elvis, listen to me. You've got to get off the pills.
I don't need them, Syl. I don't need them. Syl. Will you come back to me?
Oh, Elvis.
Just come back to me. Now forget about all that other stuff. Just... Come on, what do you want? You want to go back to Hawaii? It was good there, wasn't it? It's too late. It's too late, isn't it?
I don't think you could ever live with just one woman.
Yes. Yes, I could. I could now. Now that I know what I've lost. At the time, it seemed like a good idea. I was tired of being married and all.
We were kids.
I don't know what was going through my mind. Just trying to live up to the image or something. I don't know. Maybe one day there'll be time for us. You're a beautiful woman, Syl. I don't think I ever knew the woman. Just the girl.
Come and kiss Lisa goodnight.
Daddy.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you.
You got plenty of guns around here?
You taught me how to protect myself. Don't worry.
I'm getting death threats. All those nuts looking for publicity. You gotta have plenty of guns around. Would you do me a favor, Stella? Would you put your arms around me? Can the boys see us?
Yes, Elvis, they can see us.
Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry?
Is she gonna come back, E?
Apart?
I don't know, man.
Does your memory stray
You alright?
to a bright summer day?
You know, I care about you a lot, E.
And call you sweetheart. Do the chairs in your parlor seem in bed? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight?
It was a massive heart attack. We did everything we could.
Joe.
I couldn't tell Lisa.
Teddy bear, go upstairs. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy
Lisa?
bear. Mommy, is Daddy gonna be alright?
Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good.